When you hear the term flying car, what comes to mind? Perhaps images of sci-fi movies or far-off futuristic dreams? Well, the future might be closer than you think. Today we're exploring urban air mobility, a bold new vision for transportation that could redefine how we move through our cities. Urban air mobility, or UAM, is much more than just flying cars. It's an entire ecosystem of innovative vehicles and services designed to transform urban transportation. From drones to electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft or eVTOLs to air taxis, the possibilities are endless. To make this vision a reality, we need more than just the vehicles. Developing safe and sustainable air corridors is crucial. These pathways will allow these aircraft to navigate cities safely and efficiently. The benefits of urban air mobility could be transformative. By reducing traffic congestion, we can cut commute times and make our cities more efficient. To bring this vision to life, collaboration is key. Governments, companies, and communities must work together to create a safe and efficient UAM system. The sky's the limit when it comes to reimagining urban transportation. Urban air mobility has the potential to revolutionize how we live, work, and travel in our cities. Are you ready for the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the innovations shaping our world.